In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your webhook secret in Stripe. It's quick, easy, and takes just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, head to stripe.com. Once there, click sign in at the top right corner. Log in using your email and password, then click sign in again to access your Stripe dashboard. This is your control center for managing payments and developer tools. Once you are in the dashboard, scroll down the left sidebar and locate the Developers section. Click on it to reveal several developer-related tools, including the option we are interested in, that is Webhooks. Next, click Webhooks to open the configuration page, then hit Add Endpoint, sometimes shown as Add Destination. This is where you will tell Stripe where to send real-time event data. Choose the events you want to listen for. A good starting point is this: checkout.session.completed. This notifies you when a checkout session is successfully completed. Invoice.payment underscore succeeded. This alerts you when a payment on an invoice goes through. After selecting your desired events, click continue to proceed to the endpoint setup screen. Now, paste your webhook endpoint URL. This is the URL on your server that will receive Stripe event data. You can also add a short description to label the purpose of this webhook for future reference. Finally, click Add Endpoint or Create Destination. Stripe will now generate a webhook secret associated with this endpoint. Head to the dashboard's webhooks page, click your endpoint, and you will see the signing secret. Copy it and store it securely in your .env file or config. This secret is essential for verifying Stripe payloads in your backend. And that's it. You are now set up to receive Stripe webhooks safely. Thank you for watching this video.